how to save time on Instagram by creating saved replies that you can use for your private messages. You might use a saved reply to send a welcome message to a new follower or to share a resource link with them. So someone might be commenting webinar, for example, on a post you share about your free webinar, and then you could private message them the link to that resource. Let's show you how to create saved replies on your Instagram account. So you will need to have a business Instagram or a creator Instagram account to access this feature. Let's start on our profile. So tap your profile picture, bottom right, and then we'll tap on the three lines in the top right-hand corner. That's your menu that will take you back to your settings. We will need to go to our For Professionals section here. So I have a creator account, so mine says Creator Tools and Controls. Yours may say Business Tools and Controls if you have a business Instagram account. And we are looking for the section that says Saved Reply. And in there, you can see I've got some saved replies created, and you can create new ones with the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. So let me show you how to create a saved reply, and we'll hit the plus sign shortcut. So let's say we want to go new follower welcome. So you're going to type this without any spaces. So the shortcut, the name of the shortcut. Oh, and I've already got that. I've already got one called that. So I'll call this new welcome to. Okay. So new follower welcome. Then I click done in the right. And then I tap my finger on the word message, and then you'll type what you want the message to say. So I might say, hello there. And notice my keyboard kind of covers it up a little bit. So I find it's easier if I just click done and save, and then I go back in and edit that saved reply. So you can see it up at the top there, new follower welcome. I'm going to tap on it, and then I can tap my finger on the message and it lets me type a little more easier. So I can say, hello there, and maybe put a little heart. Nice to connect with you. Let me know if I can help with any social media marketing questions. And then I might just put my name there, Julie. And again, happy face. Happy face and another heart. Okay, done. Save. Okay, so I can go back in anytime. You can see there's also a function for deleting saved replies. So if there's old ones you're not using anymore, you can delete them. But you can see there is my shortcut and there is my message. Hello, you can tap in there so you can edit that anytime. Now you are still going to have the ability to customize that message before you send it to someone. So I'm going to hit the back arrow and I'm going to go out of here and back. Okay. So I'm back to my account. So say I want to send a message to a new follower, for example, I can tap on followers. And I can see I've got, this is the latest person that followed me up at the top, and Joanne, and I know Joanne, so I can go to Joanne, then I tap a message. Now in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see this little message bubble with the dots on it. You tap that and up pop your saved replies. So now I can tap on my new follower greeting, and you can see there it is. Now I can still customize it. So I can still tap before I send it. Notice it's not sent yet. So I can still tap on it and I can say, Joanne. So now I have a personal touch before I send my message. So hello there, Joanne, or maybe I would just even just say hello, Joanne. And I know her. So nice, I'll put nice to connect with you again. Nice to connect with you here, because I am connected with her on other social media channels. So I'm personalizing it now so she knows there's a human on the other end, but yet I've saved time because I've got my pre-written reply. So I can say, hello, let's see, got my message to do. And then I hit the little purple send button. Boom, now I have sent my welcome message to her, and then she may send me a message back. And then of course you do want to make the time to respond to messages. Now the other way you can use this, let me show you this other option, is if you have done a post. So for example, I did a post a while back about my beginner guide to Instagram's new edits app. And if you look at the caption, I put a call to action. at the bottom that said comment edits below or send me a private message and I'll share the link to my free guide on YouTube. So when I look at the comments here, I'm going to go back up and tap my comments bubble. And you can see that I had someone comment edits. So the way I would then get to send her a private message is I tap on her username. So she's expressed interest in receiving the link to my guide. I go to her profile, I click on message, and now you can see again my saved replies in the bottom, the little message bubble with the dot, 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 and voila. I'm gonna look for my Instagram Edits app guide as my shortcut. So instead I'm gonna tap on that one. So notice I have my pre-written, oops, I've got my pre-written message in there. So in this one, I could say, hello, Heidi. Here's the link to my beginner guide to the Instagram Edits app on YouTube. You see, I've got the link already programmed in here. Let me know if I can help with any questions, Julie. Okay, I don't need to personalize this one anymore because she's already expressed interest on that post by commenting edits. So I'm now going to hit the purple send button and I have sent Heidi a private message. And look, it kind of shows kind of cool. It shows the kind of a little preview of the link to my edits guide on YouTube. And you can see there is the clickable link that Heidi can now very easily in her private messages click on that link and get to the free guide. Go set up some saved replies on your own Instagram account and follow me for more social media marketing tips.